Hello and welcome to Saras's classes. Today we are going to solve one question from Test of Mathematics at 10 plus 2 level, which is very well known by Tomato. This book is published by Indian Statistical Institution for the aspiring students of statistics for their preparation to help in their preparation uh, for the entrances like BStat, BMath at I.S.I. So let's start with this question. Sketch the portion A intersection B in the Argand plane where A is equals to z such that modulus of z minus z plus 1 divided by z minus 1, which is less than equals to 1, and the B set says that z such that modulus of z minus real portion of z is less than equals to 1. Okay, so let's try to solve this problem. Let z is equals to x plus iy. Then z plus 1 modulus of z plus 1 divided by z minus 1 is less than equals to 1. So this implies that modulus of z plus 1 is less than equals to modulus of z minus 1. And as we can see, z is equals to x plus iy. Therefore, we can write that x plus iy plus 1 whole square is less than equals to x plus iy minus 1 whole square. And after solving this we get 4x is less than equals to 0, so x is less than equals to 0. Okay, therefore we can say that the set A reduces to z such that x is less than equals to 0. So if we draw this portion in the Argand plane, we get this portion. This portion defines A. Okay, also we are given that modulus of z minus real portion of z is less than equals to 1, and from this we can write root over x square plus y square minus x is less than equals to 1. Therefore root over x square plus y square is less than equals to x plus 1, and x square plus y square is less than equals to x square plus 2x plus 1. Hence y square is less than equals to 2x plus 1. If we take 2 as common, we get 2 multiplied by x plus half. Okay, so the B portion reduces to z such that y square is equals to 2 into x plus half, which is basically a parabola. Okay, having its vertex at minus half comma 0 and axis on x-axis. Therefore the portion A intersection B is nothing but the parabola uh, the parabolic portion intersection with this A portion. Therefore this is the portion which defines A intersection B. Okay, this is minus half comma 0 coordinate, and this portion defines A intersection B. Okay, so we have solved this problem, and in this problem we have to ask to sketch the portion A intersection B, and we do this. Okay, so that's all for today. Q.86 classes provide study materials and mock test papers on different inferences at I.S.I. So you can join us, and for further details you can check our website also, which is www.sorosysclasses.com, and please subscribe our YouTube channel to get the notification first. Thank you very much.